Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another deep dive. We're unveiling a game-changing technology that's transforming how industries operate. EON Reality has launched EON Perform, a revolutionary AR guidance system that projects expert knowledge directly into physical environments. This system is designed to eliminate the gap between training and real-world application, and it's already making a massive impact across various sectors.
That's right. EON Perform leverages augmented reality to bring expert guidance into real-world scenarios, where workers can see exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, right in front of them. This is more than just theoretical knowledge. It's real-time, actionable expertise.
And this isn't limited to just one industry. From healthcare to manufacturing to field service, EON Perform is revolutionizing training and execution. Imagine being a technician who needs to repair a critical system but has no previous experience with that exact model. With EON Perform, you get step-by-step guidance, reducing errors and accelerating proficiency.
Exactly. Take healthcare, for example. In a hospital, a nurse can use EON Perform to follow precise, avatar-guided instructions during procedures, eliminating the chances of error. It's like having an expert right by your side, guiding you through every step, making healthcare safer and more efficient.
And the beauty of EON Perform is that it's not just for high-skill workers. Whether it's a complex surgical procedure or a technician performing a simple repair, this system ensures that even the most intricate tasks are executed perfectly, with real-time feedback and confirmation of correct actions.
And it's fast. Traditional methods of learning complex procedures take months or even years of practice. With EON Perform, the time to competency is reduced by over 50%, while knowledge retention improves by up to 3.8x. The impact is immense, both in terms of safety and efficiency.
This technology is transforming industries and making processes smoother, safer, and more effective. By eliminating human error and providing on-demand guidance, EON Perform is setting a new standard for how we interact with expert knowledge.
It's the future of learning and performing complex tasks at your fingertips, in real time, and more efficient than ever before.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.